Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to tackle a fundamental concept in algebra, algebraic expressions and their different types. Algebraic expressions are the building blocks of algebra and understanding them is key to mastering more advanced topics. Whether you are new to algebra or just need a refresher, this video is for you. We'll start by defining what algebraic expressions are and then break them down into their various types. Let's dive into the world of algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression is any expression that combines variables, constants, and operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For example, 3x plus 5 is an algebraic expression. 2x squared minus 7x plus 4 is another example. Types of algebraic expressions. First up, let's talk about monomials. A monomial is a single term algebraic expression. It can be just a number, a variable, or a product of numbers and variables. For example, 3x, a number and a variable multiplied together. 7, just a constant. 5y square, a constant multiplied by a variable raised to a power. Minus 2 upon 3 into a fraction multiplied by a variable. Monomials cannot have addition or subtraction between terms. It's all about one single term. Next, we have binomials. A binomial is an algebraic expression with exactly two terms separated by either addition or subtraction. Let's look at some examples. 2x plus 3, two terms, one with x and one constant. X square minus 4, a term with x square and constant term with a subtraction. 5a minus 2b, terms with different variables. Binomials are great for simplifying and solving equations, especially in factoring. Moving on, we have trinomials. As the name suggests, it contains three elements. That means a trinomial has three different terms. These are often used in more complex algebraic expressions. Here are a few examples. X squared plus 5x plus 6, a quadratic trinomial where x squared is the quadratic term, 5x is the linear term and 6 is the constant term. 7x squared minus 3x plus 2, another example of quadratic trinomial. Trinomials often come up in factoring and solving quadratic equations. Finally, let's talk about polynomials. Polynomials are algebraic expressions with more than one term. They can be a combination of monomials, binomials, and trinomials. A polynomial can be a single term like a monomial or a sum of multiple terms. Here are some examples. 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 1, a polynomial with 4 terms. 6y power 4 plus 2y cubed minus 5y plus 7, a polynomial with 4 terms including a constant term. Polynomials are fundamental in algebra, used for everything from factoring to solving equations and graphing. These are algebraic expressions where only non-negative integer powers of variables are involved. Rational expressions. A rational expression is a subset of algebraic expressions. It is defined as a fraction where both the numerator and the denominator are polynomials. A rational expression has the form p upon q, where p and q are polynomials and q is not equals to 0 as division by 0 is undefined. Examples of rational expressions are 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 upon x minus 2. Numerator 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 is a polynomial. Also, the denominator x minus 2 is a polynomial. It is a rational expression. Another example can be x cubed minus 4x divided by x squared plus 1. Numerator x cubed minus 4x is a polynomial. Also, the denominator x squared plus 1 is also the polynomial. So, it is a rational expression. Now, let's talk about irrational expression. An irrational algebraic expression is an algebraic expression involving variables, constants, and operations where at least one part of the expression includes an irrational number. This can be due to the presence of irrational constants, irrational roots, or operations that result in irrational numbers. For example, 3 plus square root of 5. The term square root of 5 is irrational. The sum 3 plus square root 5 is therefore an irrational algebraic expression because the irrational component square root 5 remains in the expression. To sum it up, understanding these types of algebraic expressions provides a solid foundation for tackling more advanced topics in mathematics. Whether you are solving equations, graphing functions, or analyzing data, knowing these types will be invaluable. I hope this video helped clarify the different types of algebraic expressions. If you found this helpful or have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.